Hey guys, we've got another 5 winning products for you, so let's get started. What's up guys? I got a bit of a cold this week, but I still have 5 winning products for you. So with that in mind, let's get started.
Alright, let's do this.
The first product is a punching bag, which I think is an excellent product for a quarantine period. It can appeal to men and women and kids and adults. This one that I found comes in at $39.98 with a cost of $17.35 and a profit of $22.63. I found this on AliExpress, and you can see here that it's a freestanding inflatable punching bag. When I went looking for competitors to see how they were doing things, I found this website called ikesang.com. They are going under the title banner of Lee and Fans. So that's my first learning point for today. If you can align your domain name and your Shopify store, everything else, Instagram, social media, then you're going to build trust with your customer base because people are going to recognize you. When I come onto ikesang.com and I see that they actually have 2 titles, that's distancing me. I'm not really sure I trust this website. Now, to take this further, I think that they're selling 2 different punching bags, and we can go along through. The first photo is the AliExpress product that I've also found. It's this freestanding inflatable, it's got a ring on the bottom and it bounces. But the rest of the website showcases this product, which is a completely different setup. It's got an arm, it's got a ball, it's interacting with the user. And I'm just like, which one is it, I don't know why they would have 2 on there. And it seems to me what they're actually selling is this first one because for a start, it's the first product. And I've seen these on AliExpress and they ain't $39. They're on AliExpress, they're 100 USD and up. So I don't really know what's going on here. But hopefully from looking at this, you can learn some things. Let's take a look at the video they've got. We can just listen to it. Takes up very little space. Includes an air pump. Fill the base with water for greater stability. Suitable for all ages. Come on, where's the voice actor in this? They need a bit of Phil Swift.
No, that's a lot of damage!
Yep, good video, just conveys lots of people using the product, and we can definitely see what it is. Don't let coronavirus ruin your motivation to work out. See, this is an example of what I was talking about last week, where you can tailor your ads to what is happening now. Coronavirus being the big cataclysmic event of our time. Obviously, people are going to be making money off it, so I feel like that's okay. And this is probably helping people get fit, so nothing wrong with that. Yeah, so the reason I think that this punching bag is a winning product is because it has a broad audience of kids and adults and men and women, and it's going to keep you fit at home during the pandemic. So it's basically just relevant. I would be targeting this to people who like brands like Reebok, Everlast, and definitely the UFC, and people who are aged 24 to 40. Product number 2 is a bike stand, and I love bikes, so I love this product. Yeah, I think it's great. It's coming in at $10 with a cost of $3.78 and a profit of $8.22. So our case study for today is Wackago. Yes, Wackago. So this theme is running off Debutify, which is a bit of a coincidence. I think one thing they could have changed here is this color scheme. They've got orange here, and when I click on it, I'm kind of like, oh, disappointed. It's not actually what I thought it was. Black, that works fine. And the same with blue. These little color selectors, they should probably line up with your product. A nice little carousel here, which they've just ripped off AliExpress, which is completely fine, I guess. Yeah, shows us the dimensions, shows us the colors, actually shows us how to put it together, which is pretty useful. And it's also a small page. I like that because it means that you can just read through the features, the guarantee, and then you're at the bottom. And then you just go right back up and you smash that add to cart. Yeah, pretty clean website. Not many images on the website apart from the product, which definitely is eye-catching for me. So there's a few different routes for targeting for this product. You could go down the route of targeting bicycle brands specifically, but when I was targeting it, I looked at Red Bull Bike on Facebook, which has 3.1 million views, and also Bike Magazine, which is another large Facebook website, which I just can't remember how many views it has, but I'm pretty sure it has a lot of views.
Awesome. Yes.
So the reason I think it's a winning product is because of the pandemic again. We've seen a spike in bicycle ownership in the United States and in Europe. I think that this encourages people to use their bike and probably encourages people to buy a bike because of the ease of access. You can store many bikes together at once instead of having them interlocking and getting tangled and that just being annoying. Product number 3, the classic, the sleep pillow. I think this is a winning product because of that fact. It's for sleeping on, and sleep is important. We all need to sleep, so you can target this to a broad audience. So the price is $34.99, the cost is $12.99, which leaves you with a profit of $22. So if we move away from the AliExpress product that I found, and we go to BroGrow Shop, which is our competitor's website, we can see that they've just taken the images, which shows you just how easy dropshipping is. And they've upped the price from $12.99 to $35. It's not entirely obvious, but on closer inspection, you can realize that the 50% off is just actually the title of the listing. To me, that just seems fake. What I would encourage you to do is a coupon that comes up. You know, this is promoting urgency, and it's showing people that it is happening now. If you have a coupon that comes up and says 50% off today only, you know, the customer has an ability to close the coupon or to use it. That's going to just build a lot more trust and maybe provide you with some conversions. This tactic here, where they've just put 50% off in the title, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, they just typed that in like 6 months ago. Why is it 50% off all the time? You know, you might as well just tell me that it's $35 all the time. I know what they're doing. They're trying to incentivize you to buy it because they're saying it's cheaper right now, but they're not really following through with the tactic. Like the Debutify theme, it has a ability to incorporate a coupon. When you move your mouse around the screen, like if the customer is going to leave the page, you can pop up with a cheeky 10%. Because this title, it leaks into other areas of the website. Like the title is also the caption for the images. And that's just furthering my disbelief in the offer at all. It's got a good color scheme. The font is easy to understand. Yeah, it's not too cluttered. Yeah, the video with the eggs is so dumb. This car runs over and they just get the last egg out. Maybe I'm wrong, actually. All those eggs look okay. It's showing us the bad way. First time user. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Yeah, I mean, hey, if it works, exclusive molecular foam. Exclusive molecular foam. Eggs don't crack, you know, because you have eggs in your pillows. Who has eggs in their bed? You could spend your whole life just watching infomercials and critiquing them. So on Facebook, I would target this to people who have expressed an interest in insomnia and sleep tips. I found quite a lot of pages on Facebook in that realm, and this means that you're going to target this to people who are more likely to convert. Those people are also just more likely to buy a product like the sleep pillow. Product number 4 is a UV sterilizing water bottle. I think this is pretty groovy. If it works, it works. I think this is a winning product because it's a 2-in-1. It's going to hold your water and it's going to make it clean and safe to drink. It's also a winning product because it has accessibility. We all need to drink water, so you've got a large market to play with there. So the price is $69, the cost is $15.58, and the profit is $54.32. So the case study for today is Crazy Cap. That's crazycap.com. Life-giving water. Everyone deserves it. Many depend on it. We all depend on it, actually. Very slick website here. The layout, it's just bottles everywhere. They're showing lifestyle photos of people using the bottle. You know, you can just take it straight out of the stream, and the lid, the cap, will sterilize up to 99.9996% of the bacteria. They're not really actually explaining that. Crazy Cap, you're not actually that informative. But yeah, really slick website here. And they've got a Facebook page, Crazy Cat Bottle, with a pretty slick video. I think they shot this on iPhone with a gimbal, just showing people drinking it. This is adding a lot of production value purely because of the amount of models they managed to get in to the video. Yeah, I really thought that was quite good. So I would target this to people on Facebook who like water bottles as an interest, and Greenpeace, which has 3.1 million followers. I feel like this is an eco-friendly idea, you know, a reusable stainless steel UV filter water bottle, which is reducing plastic waste and, you know, keeping everybody healthy. I would also target this to Kmart. That's the sort of place that people would go to look for a water bottle. And our final product is a laptop holder. Probably I would benefit from having one of these because I've got my laptop right there. If it was up, it would be at eye level, which is, I can see it being right here. Whereas really, I'm doing something more like this. That's the reason I think this is a winning product, because it's going to promote good posture and good health. And that's good for all of us. If we were all more healthy, everyone would be more happy, and the people that you interact with would be easier to deal with. A lot of people, including myself, are working from home now. And this is just a simple addition to your desk or home office, which is going to help your posture and probably reduce eye strain. The price is $39.99, the cost is $4.83, and the profit is $35.15. Alright, let's move away from AliExpress and have a look at our case study. Favorfound.com. Pretty similar there. They've just photoshopped out the last text and added their own. So on this website, I found that there's a good blend of imagery and text. They've got GIFs showing you how to operate it, and a decent amount of explainer text. I don't like these images that are just really small. Like I just can't read this. And when you zoom in, it's out of focus anyway. Probably try and avoid these types of images here. I would also probably move the guaranteed safe checkout sticker up to below the add to cart, which is just gonna, you know, help people convert. Favor Store have got a Facebook video, and you can see their ad there. Create the perfect work environment and reduce eye, wrist, back, and neck strain. That's what I was saying. They've got a tick 6-level angle adjustment. Tick! And it can also be used as a mobile phone stand. God, thank you. I would target this to students and office workers. On Facebook, the Apple Facebook page and the Microsoft Facebook page have a massive following. So that's going to probably gear you towards the kinds of people who would be interested in buying an upgrade for their computer. So there you go, guys. We've got another winning products video for you. That's number 5 we've done. 5 for 5. How are you liking them? Let us know in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe and have a good day.